Hi. So most of us use the AI in some part of content generation. And a lot of time it sounds unnatural and flagged as a fake, right? So what is the solution? Solution is use the AI tool that convert that text into humanized version. So today I'll show you how to do it using the AI tool. Let's get started. First, go to the tools website and you will find the tools link in the description. Go there, click on it, and after you reach to the login page, click on login on the top right side. Then sign in using your Google account. Okay, this is the dashboard. You will get 300 words free to start with. I'm currently using a free version, but if you want, you can also go for a paid plan, which costs around $20 per month. On the right side, you will see the features of Freshly AI tools, such as AI Humanizers, AI Detector, and Content Generator. We'll take a look at all the three features, but first we'll start with Humanizer feature. Click on it, you will see two boxes. In the first box, you need to paste your content. In the second box, Freshly AI will display your humanized content. So let's give it a try. You can also upload a text file if you want. I need to bring in content from outside, so I'll use the ChatGPT. I already generated some content there, so I'll paste it here. Then come back to Freshly tool and paste it in the first box. Below that, you will see three humanization strength option. Choose the one you prefer. Before humanizing, let's first check whether the content is AI generated or not. For that, click on check for AI. As you can see, the tool identifies it as AI generated. Now let's humanize it. Click on Humanize, and in few seconds you will see the improved content in the second box. It's been nicely humanized. From here, you can copy your content or check again to verify if it is now humanized or not. Now let's look at AI Detector feature. Click on it. In the box, paste the same content. Click on check for AI. Freshly AI will analyze it and show whether it is AI generated or not. As you can see, it says the content is AI generated. Now let's explore the third feature, which is content generator. Click on it. In the box provided, enter your prompt. Then select your purpose, choose the language, and enter the word count you want. I'll fill that in. Now click on generate. The tool will suggest some topics. You can choose the one you like or even add your own custom topics. You can also generate more suggestions if needed. Once done, click on confirm topic, and within few seconds your content will be generated and it will be humanized too. Here is your content. You can export it, copy it, or download it as Word document or even print it. So you can click here to humanize your content, and from here you can compare it with your original version. You can also view both of them in a draft from here. So our generated content looks nice, isn't it? So if you like my video and found the content useful, then make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel. Please share this video with your content writer friend. See you in the next one.